Ukusungulwa kophenyo kulandela isigameko saseStilfontein eNorth-West lapho kwashona khona ozamazama abacele emashumi kulandela ukuqhinqa emgodini wale mayini engasasebenzi ngasekupheleni konyaka odlule yakapakela ngasekuqaleni kwalonyaka. Ngosukwini lokuqala lwesigcawu, inhlangano yomphakathi owakhele izimayini, i-Mining Affected Communities United in Action, yethule uhlu lwezinto eziphoqayo kulesigcawu.
We call for and we demand public apology from the SAPS and DMR for obstructing their life-saving work, compensation and reparation for the volunteers who risked their lives, sustained injuries, used their own resources, were later stigmatized or punished for their involvement.
Le nhlangano ikhala ngokungaboshwa kongqondongqondo ekumbiweni kwegolide ngokungemthetho, ifuna nesinxephezelo ngomsebenzi eyawenza ilekelela ukukhishwa kozamazama ababeqhinqe emathunjini omhlaba.
No high-level leader or a kingpin, if we can use that term, have been arrested. We demand a clearing of criminal records or pending charges against those who participated in the rescue efforts, unless linked to a credible independent evidence of wrongdoing, not linked with saving lives at Shaft 11. We demand the creation of community crisis fund administered independently to support those who continue to perform state functions in the context of collapse and abandon.
Ezethulweni zayo, iMakhuwa igxeke amasu kahulumeni okuvala ukuthunyelwa kokudla emgodini ukuphoqa ozamazama ukuba baphume.
By cutting off food, water and medical supplies and by refusing rescue, the state acted not to prevent trafficking but to deepen it, punishing victims while shielding profiteers.
Isigcawu sizoqhubeka kusasa.